don't know.
Nothing. Let me see the kid's face. Let me see the kitten's face. Let me see the kitten's face. Oh, that's so cute. This is my brother trying to make over a kitten. There he is. Little Patchy.
Yes, sir.
There he is. He's almost done.
No, he ain't.
You walk right through this.
Stop lying.
This is strong enough for hair.
Did you put mascara on him?
Listen to that.
Oh, we're gonna swear.
This real raw is strong
Where?
enough.
Oh, his eyebrows.
Go get about 4 pounds.
Where? Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, you're terrible, Matt.
Oh,
Little Patchy.
You got any lipstick?
Yeah. Don't put it on him.
I'm listening. I'm trying. Yeah.
Oh God.
Come here, you. Come here.
What's you doing that palm? About a 14. Bad boy, Matthew.
Yes, sir.
If I get one, you go to get him from me right at the edge.
Sure.
I'll get him at the edge. If you do right,
Put this on YouTube.
He's licking it.
Put this on YouTube, Matt.
I'm trying, Dad.
Put this on YouTube.
You know I'm gonna get us getting money. I'm gonna get us a damn net with a long handle on it.
Yes, sir.
Matthew, put this on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Put this video on YouTube.
Matt,
put this video on YouTube.
We had a net about that all my team. I bought one that it didn't cost but about $6. Look at that. It was wood too damn nice.
Yes,
it
sir.
was big at the hold by 20-pound catfish.
That's mascara.
I don't even know what makeup is.
Oh, yes, you do.
You play with the cat and I'll talk to you later.
We're making over the cat. No, you
What
better
is
not.
this?
Lip
Lip
gloss.
gloss. Come here, you shithead.
You want something good?
We're going to put this on YouTube, Dad.
I'll let you use this for a little bit.
We're going to put this on YouTube, Dad.
Hear me?
You get the quarters. Yes, sir.
I'll let you play with this.
Daddy, we're going to put this on
I'll let you
YouTube.
bass fish with it.
I'll paint his fingernails. Yeah.
Okay, now we're painting the kid's fingernails green. Lime green.
Oh, here's his fingernails.
Now
Sir.
let's watch.
Have you just package on the down. I'll down get none of that syrup. I'll let you get one pack, you're going to get more.
Yes, sir.
You'll take advantage of it.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, look, Daddy.
Oh.
What the hell are you doing that damn cat?
I'm feeling it, okay?
And we're going to put it on YouTube, too.
I'm giving it a makeover.
Matthew, why are you going to pack really another pack, okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so cute. Let's see, everybody.
One more, kitty.
And then you can go show Pop, and then we're putting this on YouTube.
You should Papa Mary Grace.
No.
Tell me?
Yeah.
I'm Paul.
Chevy, I'm Papa.
Now we're going to...
Matthew, I'm going to get you a tackle box, too.
There you go.
Get my little man. I'm gonna get you a bigger.
Give some earrings.
Blue one, okay?
Matt.
Yeah, Matthew.
That's
Yes,
not
sir.
good for his ears.
Matthew, you know what?
That's
They
not
got
good
down
for his
box.
ears. Now, hold him up so we can get him. Get a picture.
One piece
Hold him up so we can get him in the video.
for $10.
Okay. Now let's see. Let me see.
I'm gonna talk to you.
What are you doing?
Like,